Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 15 and 16 of the new mudroom conversion. Why is it 2 days in one, you ask? Well, day number 15 we had the electricians here, and what the electricians were doing were they were tying into the main panel. So we had to upgrade the house panel so we can get some more amps off the street in order to power the sub panel that's here in the mudroom. Well, in order to do that, we had to shut the power down. We had to shut the power down all day. And everything works great except for compressors, except for saws and all that when you don't have any power. So day number 15 was just the electricians finishing everything that they needed to do. They got the panels in. We got our wire here that's going out to the front so that we can get our car charger in here at some point. We've got all of our little pigtails coming out, doorbell. So they finished all of that. We got that roughed in. We got our panel in. So that's what they did on day number 15. So today, day number 16, what do we do? Well, we had a beautiful back door that we have going here, but it's an odd size. It's 78-inch because of the peak of the roof. So that door is not slated to come in time, but in order to get our rough inspection done, we have to have a sealed membrane. So we went out and picked up a very inexpensive slab door from the local big box store, and we put it in here. This way we can continue with our framing and get our rough inspection so that we can move on to our insulation and then our drywall. So that's what we did today. We just put that in. That's a temporary door. It's going to look a lot better. It's going to have a window on it, a dog door and all that. So that's just our quick fix in order to keep moving on. This is a dance we're playing right now as we're bouncing around from one thing to the other. We've got to time our inspections. We've got to have the electricians come back. We've got to do all this stuff, and we still got to stay on time. So that's just one component of just trying to keep us on time. The other thing we did today was we were doing a bunch of cribbing. And cribbing is just basically a framing that goes up for the drywall. And so we got the cribbing up there so that the drywall can go up and have something to nail to. We got the cribbing over there. We got it over the door. We got it over here. So that was kind of what it is. We're just punching off the list today. And we're going to be back tomorrow because we had some weather yesterday, which just kind of prevented us from being in here. So we're trying to keep it on schedule, and we are on schedule so far. So coming back and checking on day 16, where I'm finally hoping to get this shed door in over here so that we can have it all weatherproof and then ready for our rough inspection. So check it out then.